Hello friends, welcome to binary tree tutorial. In this tutorial we will see how to print the left view of a binary tree. Now you can see the example here. So what will be the left view of this tree? It will be 10, 9, 8 and 13. That is, if you look from the left side, it will be 10, 9, 8 and 13. So let's jump to code part and see how we will print this left view. So first I will write the code and then I will explain you with this tree example, right? Also, if you want to see how to create a tree, how to print the traversals, how to print the height of a tree, how to find the mirror image of a tree, so I'll be putting these links into description box. So we have already covered this part, so we'll directly jump to left view of a tree code, right? So void left view, so I'll pass root 1 as a level and here it will be max level. So I'll write the function here, void left util right. So first I will check if root is null. I will return, then I'll check the max level part. If it is true, I'll print the data and assign max level to level, and I'll call this function recursively, once for the left side and again for the right side. Right, so this is the function for the left view. Now I'll explain you the code. So what actually this code says, so this is a diagram for the tree, right? So first it will check if root is null, but the root is 10, so it will skip this part. Then it will check if max level is less than level. Now if you remember, we have passed max level as 0 and level as 1, so this condition will be true and it will print the data, that is 10, right? Then max level will be level, that is max level will be 1, right? Then left this statement is called left util of root arrow left level plus 1 and max level, that is now level will be 2 and max level will be 1, and it will go to the left part, that is it will come to 9, right? Now here the level is 2 and max level is 1, so again it will check if max level is less than level, which is true, and it will print the data, that is 9. Again this function will be called, then 8 will be printed, but after 8 it will check if root is null and it is which will be true for its left part and right part, hence it will return. It will come to 10 again. After 10 it will come to root arrow right, that is 11, but here the max level is greater than level, hence this part will be false, and hence it won't print the 11 because their max level is greater than level, right? So it will go to next root arrow left 3. Here also max level will not be less than level, right, which will be false. Then it will come to 13, that is root arrow right. Here max level will be less than level, right, and it will print the data. So this way we can get our left view of a binary tree, that is 10, 9, 8 and 13. So let's run the code and see if our code works, right? So first we will call this function downwards, d dot left view. So let's run the code. So let's enter the similar data which we saw in the diagram. So data is 10, left of 10 is 9, left of 9 is -1, right of 9 is 8, left of 8 -1, right of 8 -1, right of 10 is 11, left of 11 is 3, left of 3 is -1, right of 3 is 13, left of 13 -1, right of 13 -1, and right of 11 is 1, and its left right are -1. So you can see the output is 10, 9, 8 and 13, which is a required output. That is the left view of a binary tree. Hence we get a left view of a binary tree. So guys, if you like, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.